Uptown Swing level 1, 8 count.
Anna.
Peter. Hey, you guys. Okay, there's a BTS situation. They're behind the scenes. Okay, so we did double turns today. You guys did great with it. Here's what they look like. Rock, step, triple step, double turn. Then we did a little reverse. Triple step, psych, go the other way. Not this, leaders. Why am I fighting? Just stand right there. I don't move. Same forward. That looks really good. Here's our little practice for the solo turn. Follow us one practice. Remember we talked about turning this like a wool or our back or our seams on our shirt, not our feet. Turn your body. We went rock, step, triple step, turn, triple step.
Look at Derek.
Look at Derek, everybody. Literally. So when we do that here, you can see kind of doing exactly that when we get this turn. Step, step, triple step. We'll show it one more time this way. It's past those shifts that matter in the choreography.
Yes.
6, 7, 8. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. And that's it.